Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well in this lockdown time. So today I am coming up with tricks, cheat codes to crack prelims MCQs, multiple choice question. So in this session, with our concept, with our knowledge of preliminary examination and the subjects, how we are going to deal the questions if we don't know, elimination method, intelligent guess method, that I am going to discuss today. So we will enter into it. A clear understanding how we are going to do prelims without having a proper knowledge. First we need to understand that if we doesn't have any answer for some questions. So today the class is mainly dealing about how we are going to answer if we don't know the answer, if we didn't read the concept earlier. So first thing you have to remember, before entering into the cheat code, I want to tell you one universal principle: there are no shortcuts. For success, there are no shortcuts, but there are intelligent ways. So I want to tell you, I am not telling you the shortcut, I am telling you how to eliminate, how to do the answers without reading also. So there are no shortcuts. You need to have a proper reading. After proper reading also, if you are unable to answer, then you have to adapt this method. Helpful for borderline students. So this class is going to help those students who are on the borderline, who are confused. मैं उधर तरफ हूँ, मैं इस तरफ हूँ. I am that side or I am this side. నేను అటువైపా నేను ఇటువైపా. So when there is a confusion whether I am going to clear the prelims or not, why? Because this is very important. Very important. Why? Because UPSC generally take the day when they write the UPSC examination and the day the UPSC prelims result come, it takes 40 days. So students mostly they will be waiting for the prelims examination कि whether I am going to clear the examination or not, मैं क्या clear हो रहा हूँ या नहीं हो रहा हूँ. So in that particular confusion, they will be wasting 40 days without reading mains examination. So for those students, if you are in the borderline and you are confused that whether I am going to clear or not, you should not be on the borderline, you should be on the other side of the result side. You have to be on the side of the result side. So that is what I am going to discuss. It will be mostly helpful for borderline students. Always keep the cutoff in your mind. Keep the cutoff in your mind. We don't know what will be the cutoff for 2020. 2019 cutoff, 2018 cutoff, you have to struggle. 120 to cross होना चाहिए, 120 to cross होना चाहिए. In any cost, I need to cross 120 for general studies, and for CSAT 66.6%. So 66.6 marks. In that way, we need to put our efforts. Time allocation per question. So how much time you are allocating? You have to fix. It should be predetermined. Some people will think that no, I will go into the examination hall and I will take the decision in the examination hall. No, you should have a proper decision before entering into the examination hall. For every question, this much time I am going to take. So for that thing, you have to divide your preliminary examination. If 100 questions are there, so obviously 30 questions will be very easy, 30 questions will be moderate, and 40 questions will be tricky. So 30 questions within 10 seconds. Moderate questions 30 questions 20 seconds, and another 40 questions tricky questions, that is nearly 60, each question 60 seconds. You have to fix yourself and you have to go. If it increase also, no problem, 10 seconds 20 seconds hone do, but the limit is what? 10 seconds, 20 seconds 40 seconds, no problem, 60 seconds 120 seconds, no problem, but you will be in a cushion of comfort. So first predetermine how many questions you are going to write, how many questions you are going to attempt, and how much time you are going to allot for each question. For that 30 easy questions, for that 30 moderate questions, and for that 40 tough questions. The time allocation is mandatory, that you have to fix before your examination hall only, though, so that you will be in the comfort zone, so that you will be in a risk-free zone with respect to time allocation. A minimum number of questions attempts to qualify. You should have a clarity how many questions you are going to attempt. So you should have a clear clarity. I am going to attempt 80 questions. I am going to attempt 70 questions. According to your understanding, according to your mentor guidance, according to your logic, you have to fix yourself. How many questions? This many questions I am going to attempt. Kuch bhi hone do, whatever it may be, I am going to attempt 80 questions. So you should have a clarity. Yes, in any cost I am going to attempt 80. If you know 70 also, in that 10 questions, you have to use this method, elimination method, trick method, cheat code method. This method you need to adopt. So that you can do if and only if you fix. If you fix, this many questions I am going to attempt. This much time I am going to fix for this particular question. That is very, very important. Process of elimination that you need to do. So process of elimination, we know that in UPSC, 4 options they will give. So in that 4th option will be something which we can eliminate, and the trick and the possibility will be between the 3 or sometimes statements. So you have to eliminate by using the intelligent guess. So best method is first cancel it off. Cancel it off. When you cancel it off, 25% gone, 75% chance. Another you eliminate it, another 25% gone. Only 2 are remaining, 50%. Then you use your intuition. Then you use your, from childhood, whatever your education you got, whatever the knowledge you got, you use that intuition. You use your belief. You use your faith according to the subject, not according to the God, according to your subject. Don't use inky pinky ponky. You have to use that one with your knowledge. A correct हो सकता है, नहीं तो A correct हो सकता है. So with respect to that intelligent guess, you have to come to a conclusion. But the conclusion will be in the method of elimination. You have to eliminate it, and you have to eliminate it. Process of elimination. The probability increases with every option you eliminate. The probability of answer getting correct will increase. See, first it was 25%, then it became 50%, then it became 75%, then it 100%. So when you eliminate, the probability of getting correct will increase. The chance of answer getting correct will increase. But do remember, negative marking is there. Don't do risk with more questions. Fix yourself. 80 questions I am going to attempt. 70 your comfort. On that 10 questions only, with your intuition, with your knowledge, with your childhood, from childhood onwards, whatever you studied, from all the knowledge, with your logic, you use that intelligent guess. Not guess I am telling, it's about intelligent guess. Mixed with elimination method. How to safely eliminate, how we need to eliminate it safely. First, as I told you, from the 4th one will be odd, you can remove it. From the 3, it will be very, very near. Then you have to check whether in the options only is there. Whether in option only is there. Whether in question he asked about correct or incorrect. Whether he asked about correct or incorrect. Which of the following are incorrect? Which of the following are correct? Only this is correct. Like the Constitution of India derived from USA only. No, not only from USA. We have borrowed a lot of aspects from several constitutions of the world. Means wrong. Yes, from USA, but not only USA. That means wrong statement. So you have to underline it. Only, he asked only. So first, when you are reading the question itself, you have to fix it only. When you are reading the question, you have to fix it correct or incorrect. When you are reading the question, you have to eliminate one statement, one option. By that you can do the elimination method. All the best, my dear friends. Why? Because expecting UPSC is going to postpone 100%. Why? Because the lockdown has been increased up to 17th of May. So 100% by the time we will be getting the hall tickets. But no hall tickets up to now means, yes, the exam is going to get postponed. Now only when you are doing practice papers, use this elimination method, use this cheating method, use this trick method, and you clear your preliminary examination. All the best.